Hi, Ben from Apptella. Here today we have the unboxing for the Topcon H5A Recharge Standard. Let's jump in and have a look. This unit comes with a rechargeable pack, slides into the door, along with Topcon standard features of 5-year warranty, IP66 weather rating. The RL H5A comes with slope match, height alert functionality, along with a 5-degree self-leveling range. Also in the case here we have the Topcon LS80X standard receiver, recharger for the unit, the Australian calibration certificate to say that the unit has been tested and certified on a range in Australia, along with your safety sticker and operating manual for the H5A. For service, calibration and warranty registration, just scan the QR code on the side of your box.